Hello, my name is Juliette Leon, and today we're going to be showing you how to bake chocolate chip cookies. So the ingredients that you're going to need today are flour, sugar, baking powder, chocolate chips, 2 eggs, brown sugar, salt, vanilla, and butter. You will need to preheat the oven to 375 degrees. First thing you're going to do is combine 2 sticks of butter, 3/4 cups of sugar and brown sugar, a teaspoon of vanilla, and mix till creamy. Put in your 2 sticks of your butter, then your sugar and brown sugar, and then you're going to add your vanilla. And then you mix it until it's creamy. Next thing you're going to do is you're going to add your 2 eggs and beat well. Next thing you're going to do is you're going to add your 2 1/4 cups of flour, and then you're going to add your baking soda and salt. Very slowly. Next thing you're going to do is you're going to pour in all of your chocolate chips. Just like that. And then you're going to mix. Next thing you're going to do is you're going to get a spoon, you're going to get your dough, and you're going to scoop it onto a tray. Then you're going to put it into the oven for about 9 to 11 minutes. And then they'll come out like this. Then you can enjoy.